I asked ChatGPT to build me a to-do list app using Flutter, and it did it in 60 seconds. So just go to ChatGPT and write code for a to-do list app using Flutter. And ChatGPT is writing our code for new application. And after we're done, we're going to get this code and run it and see what kind of application it has built. And as we can see, ChatGPT has completed our simple to-do list app, and with some text field for adding new to-do items on the list view. That's what it's saying. So let's try this code. So next, what we're going to do is we're going to copy the code and paste it in our newly created Flutter to-do list app. And so we're going to go to our newly created Flutter app, which is the default application. You can create this by running Flutter create, and then you write my to-do list up. We're going to remove everything and paste with the code we got from ChatGPT. Click save, and then we're going to run this application. And here is a simple to-do list application that it built for us. And you can see it has got a text input, and if we try to enter a new to-do item in here, we can just say anything that comes into our mind. And then there's a button right down here that it shows the to-do list item that we actually put in here. We can enter whatever item we want in here, and it will be displayed in this list view down below. This is a very good starting point, especially if you are a beginner and you want to get started with building mobile applications with whatever framework that you want. And I think this is very interesting, and coming in the next years with powerful tools such like ChatGPT and more of them being developed, we are definitely seeing history being written here. All we did is just copy the code from ChatGPT, run the code. We didn't do anything, and ChatGPT just did it for us in like less than 60 seconds. So this is pretty amazing and exciting times for the future. So what can I say? Welcome to the future.